Greetings guys. Sanbonani, Dumelang guys. Ngiyathemba niyaphila. I hope you guys are doing well. You guys are doing well in this festive season, guys. Guys, now we're going back to doing the basic conditions of employment. Because for the past month we had to rush to do the new CCMA rules, because by then when we did that, we had not completed the basic conditions of employment. So now we're going back to doing the basic conditions of employment, guys. So yeah, we're going to be dealing with chapter 6. It's about the prohibition of employment of children and forced labor. Guys, this is very important. Please share this video as much as you can so it can reach as much audience as possible, guys. Okay, chapter 6, prohibition of employment of children and forced labor. 43, prohibition of employment of children. Number 1, no person may employ a child A who is under 15 years of age or B who is under the minimum school leaving age in terms of any law, if this is 15 or older. Section 31, subsection 1 of the South African Schools Act, 1996 Act number 84 of 1996 requires every parent to cause every learner for whom he or she is responsible to attend the school until the last day of the year in which the learner reaches the age of 15 or the 9th grade, whichever is the first. 2, no person may employ a child in employment A that is inappropriate for a person at that age, B that places at risk the child's well-being, education, physical or mental health, or spiritual, moral or social development. 3, a person who employs a child in contravention or subsection 1 or 2 commits an offense. Number 44, employment of children of 15 years or older. Number 1, subject to section 43, subsection 2, the minister may, on the advice of the commission, make regulations to prohibit or place conditions on the employment of children who are at least 15 years of age and no longer subject to compulsory schooling in terms of any law. 2, a person who employs a child in contravention of subsection 1 commits an offense. 45, medical examinations. The minister may, after consulting the commission, make regulations relating to the conduct of medical examinations of children in employment. Section 90, subsection 3 protects the confidentiality of any examination conducted in terms of this act. Prohibitions. It is an offense to assist an employer to employ a child in contravention of this act, or B, discriminate against a person who refuses to permit a child to be employed in contravention of this act. 44, evidence of age. In any proceedings in terms of this act, if the age of an employee is a relevant factor for which insufficient evidence is available, it is for the party who alleges that the employment complied with the provisions of this chapter to prove that it was reasonable for the party to believe after investigation that the person was not below the permitted age in terms of section 43 or 44. Then number 40, prohibition of forced labor. Number 1, subject to the Constitution, all forced labor is prohibited. Number 2, no person may, for his or her own benefit or for the benefit of someone else, cause, demand, or impose forced labor in contravention of subsection 1. Number 3, a person who contravenes subsection 1 or 2 commits an offense. Right. Okay, guys, that was a short and sweet of it that dealt with the child labor and forced labor, guys. Guys, this is very important because we get this situation and scenarios whereby children who are underage are being forced to work. You see, so it's very important that we all familiarize ourselves with this act, so we know what to do when we come across such situations. Also, we don't find ourselves on the wrong side of the law, having contravened this act. It's very important, guys. Please let's take good care of that. Let's make sure that we prevent child labor from happening and forced labor from happening, guys. Please, guys, let's do that. Thank you very much, guys, for tuning to the channel. Those who have not subscribed, please, at the bottom of this video there's a subscribe option. Please click on it to subscribe. Those who have subscribed, thank you very much, guys, for the support. Please share this video. If you're using Twitter, please share it on Twitter. please share it on WhatsApp, please share it on Facebook, on different platforms that you are using, so it reaches as much audience as possible, guys. Thank you very much, guys. I will see you. Khanya, Makanya.